in everything I see. If you see me faster, I like to see if I can be it. Yo, I'm knocking boots, I like to faking fools. Yo, I ripping faster, now I'm taking it off like a jet. Yo, I like to really spit it faster now. See me if I can just do it. See me kicking it, but I'm just knocking it out. Cause I'm just rocking it out. I'm just really just telling everybody who it is. K-A-Y-D-O-G. Yo, speaking all the lives. Yo, this is the young and fresh crew. A-O. This is everything I do now. This is what I rep for. Now you know who I be. This faster than the politics, faster than the game mirrors. Put me down, I'm real, Mitch, and I like to put me down. Real images is talking about this now. Speaking of my life, ain't nothing true to it. Yo, I'm singing if the beat is on the line. I'm speaking it. True, ain't nothing you can see me from Riverview. I speak from lines to lines, from rivers to rivers. Troubled water, I'm just speaking it and got some peach and flowers. I'm talking about I got apples and berries and some cherries. Yo, I'm talking about fruits and money, mother. Yo, talking this mad. Yo, I'll be shooting a gun. I'll be shooting a movie and anybody is in it. Yo, with strange music, psychopathic motherfucking snub nose records. Anybody with that Cottonmouth Kings album. Yo, I got to get that cloud 9. I'll be on cloud 10. If I'm past my high, if I really speak one line, I got that stem smoking it, and really I'm gonna throw shit. And really I'm gonna be throwing that Dutch around. Pass the cockroach around. Pass that roach around. Smoking that. Yo, I got a C4 for you, baby. And I'm throwing it in my back car. This is what I really do. Anybody talk about it. It's anybody's music. This is what I say. Anybody killer come to my house. I rap with you anything. Family is all I think about. Wearing shirts is nothing but I do it. But if I throw my graveyard on, I like to wear it. People like to get that netting going. Wet now, you're knocking it down and rocking it down. Yo, I'll get some Iowa and get some poppin' drinks. We'll be popping some crisp and drinking all night. Yo, get that smoke on. We blowing some Newport Zone. I put my lighter up and blow it out for any y'all. This is what I'm gonna do. Pass it out, pass it on. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna really do. Talk that mad whack, and I'm gonna speak for you now. Really, if you can't beat me, you can decisively throw me out. This is what I do. This is what I speak about. JD out the building.